So, we had a real bad windstorm last night. Almost lost 6 of my cars. Big pine tree, probably like 30 inches around, went right through the fucking fence over at the pen. And literally could have took out all my cars. My cars in there, my S2000, my cars. 4:30 this morning I heard, boom! I was like, what the fuck? First I thought somehow the wind blew my shed over. Now look, I'm like, oh my God. What the F? Man, I don't know who's looking out for me, but I thank you very much because my Civic hatchback back there does not have insurance and is not registered.